Good evening, girls.
Hi.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
You had a good day? I'm fine, thank you. Celebrating the Queen's Jubilee? Hiya. Are they your friends? Do they want to come in? You can come in if you want.
No, please.
We're doing a YouTube. Yeah, you can get in if you want. That's all right. Okay, nice one. Anyone else want to get in? Absolutely not. Okay.
Come on, George. Come on.
This
George, it's for YouTube.
Hang on, the little boy's in there. You have to get the little boy. That's it. Hang on, can you? Okay, thank you. Don't you want to get in? Okay. Okay. You all had a good day today? Nice one. And you all know each other? Oh, did you? You go to school? You went to school? Okay. And where do you all live? Big up Dawlish. Where do you live? Star Cross. Big up Star Cross.
I live in Exeter, actually.
You live in Exeter, do you? Oh, are you? I like your T-shirt. It's nice and bright. Can't lose you, can we? And where do you come from? Torquay. Big up Torquay. Your hat's amazing. Did you all have a good day today? Good. Should we go down the other end, us four? Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on, let's go down the other end. We can do it better down there. Huh? You don't think so? Who? Oh, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. It's a bit awkward, isn't it, at the moment? It's easy. Do you get in? No? Right, who's your friend? What's your name? Josh, pleased to meet you. And what was your name? George.
I'm Peter.
Nice to meet you, Peter. Isabel. Nice to meet you. Can I just do your trainers? What trainers you got on?
Some Converse.
Oh, they look good.
Stained by sand.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got blazers.
What trainers you got on?
I've got some Jordan.
Oh, they're good. Well, they're nice and green ones. Yeah. And what have you got on?
They're the pink version of his.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
You prefer the pink, do you?
Yeah, I do.
Do you play football? You got your shorts on? Yeah? Because it's hot? Yeah. And what you all doing tonight then? You're going out to dinner? Who with? Oh, that's really nice. Yeah, have a good time. What are you doing? Oh, right, you've got an exam coming up. You're sensible then, aren't you? And what are you boys doing?
We're going to a pool party tonight.
A pool party? What is? Do you play pool or you get in the pool?
Oh, no, it's a swimming pool.
A swimming pool, that's nice. You got your trunks with you?
Oh, yeah, they're in my bag.
Can we have a look, please?
Oh, you really want, yeah.
You got a towel, have you? You're all going swimming then? Oh, that's nice. Where is the pool?
I actually don't even know. It's in
Timor. Oh, in Timor?
That one, yeah.
Okay.
Got some nice pink trunks.
Oh, they're nice. Yeah, you got the towel. So you're all right. You got your gear. Are you going swimming?
Yeah,
Yeah, nice one. Will it be warm enough then later?
probably.
Yeah? You good swimmers?
Yeah.
Not really?
I'm pretty good, yeah.
So it's a pool party?
I need the inflatables to go around your arms and float.
Haven't you got any? Oh, in their bag, are they? Can we see them? No, I thought you were gone. So in the party, what do you do in the pool if it's a party? Just swim?
Yeah, maybe have some drinks as well.
Oh, right, okay.
Apple juice.
How many people's going to be there?
Couldn't tell you. Upwards of 20.
Not just you three?
Oh, no, it's not just
Nice big pool.
Is it a special occasion then?
Yeah.
Whose birthday or something? It's your birthday? When?
It was a few days ago.
And how old were you?
I was 40 or 50 ago.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Oh, 15. Shall we sing him happy birthday? A few days ago. Yeah, let's sing him happy birthday. Can you join in?
Come on, everyone, come to
No, I mean, can you stand there and join in? Yeah, okay, cool. Can you join in without getting in? Sing happy birthday. All right, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday. Oh. Have a great evening. Thanks for talking. And remember, you're the new generation. You're very important. You're the ones coming up. So we've got to encourage you and respect you all. Take care. Peace out. Bye.